Mix cinnamon and Vaseline and you'll not believe the incredible results. Hello everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to the Golden Blossom channel, and in today's video I want to share with you this spiritual work of mixing Vaseline and cinnamon. So if you haven't heard about cinnamon is a very powerful remedy when it comes to spiritual attraction, when it comes to attracting abundance. If you want to receive a lot of money, you can use cinnamon in so many different ways. So in today's video, this is why we are here. But just in case you just came across my video, thank you so much for clicking. This is the Golden Blossom channel, your spiritual guide channel, okay? And my name is Jackie. Feel free to subscribe and join the family. You can turn on the notification bell as well, so that when I upload any video, you'll be the first one to receive the notification, okay? So here we have two ingredients, cinnamon and Vaseline. You are going to mix cinnamon and Vaseline, and you will not believe what will happen to you. You will not believe, okay? You will not even think if this will ever happen to you. So if you haven't heard about this, stick around and watch until the end. God bless you. Thank you. So right now we have Vaseline, and you can use any type of jelly as long as it's jelly. You don't need cream or lotion. No, please use jelly, but I recommend you to use Vaseline, okay? And the next thing you're going to need is olive oil. So just in case you don't know olive oil, you can look up for it in the supermarket. It's a sign of peace, it's a sign of riches, it's a sign of refined, like into God's image. So it's just so incredible and precious oil that was talked about and used in the Bible, okay? So now we are going to go ahead and make our spiritual work, do the spiritual work and make this recipe. It's going to be very precious, very unbelievable, and it's a secret. Some people know it and some people don't know it, and whoever knows it, they don't normally tell it out to everybody, okay? So you are going to mix Vaseline in the cinnamon. Make sure you get the cinnamon that is already in powder form, not the one in stick form, because it will not work for you. And the third thing, you are going to put olive oil. Please do not forget about olive oil. Try as much as possible so that you look for the olive oil, because it's very important when it comes to this spiritual work, okay? Now we are going to be mixing. As you see, I'm mixing, and yeah, I'm just going to mix it all together until it's good. Well, so do not forget about using your middle finger. Your middle finger is the very strongest finger on your body. Just in case you don't know, you can use this finger to say anything and to command anything you want in this world, and what you'll say shall happen, okay? Always use the middle finger in case you want something good to happen to you. Yeah. And now we are just going to leave it there for a moment. And how are you going to use this, okay? And who can use this? So if in case you don't know, a man or a woman, even kids, a Muslim and Christian can use this. And how you are going to use this? So you are just going to go and take your shower, bath very well, and in case you are going somewhere or you're going to meet someone and you expect money from these people, please go ahead and apply this on your body. Then you go and meet this person. So just in case you're expecting money, they are going to give you money, okay? In case you are expecting to find a specific person, you can just apply this cream all over your palms and say some good words, okay, about the person you're expecting to find, and then go meet this person. So in case you are facing a spirit of rejection, Let me tell you something. This is cinnamon. Cinnamon is attraction. Okay, so if you want to be attractive, if you want to attract rich men or rich women, just do this and see what is going to happen. It's unbelievable. This is a very strong remedy. Okay, yes, apply this in your palms and go and meet that person. Okay, go meet a specific person and go make a specific deal. In case you are closing a job, you're applying for a visa, so once you apply this on your body, you are just going to be a different person, and whenever they see you, you are going to be loved, you are going to be attractive. You know, it feels so good when you're an attractive person. It feels so good when you're a blessed person. It feels so good when you're a different person. You know, when you just walk in the room and all the people are just looking at you because you are different, just because of using this. Okay, so please just go ahead and mix this, apply it on your body before moving out. And let me tell you something, do not do this and apply it on your body and just sleep. No, this is not for your indoors. This is for being blessed outside, wherever you go, whatever you touch and whatever you do. By the special grace of God, you will see miracles and wonders happening in your life just by using this special remedy. Okay, try it and give the testimony in my comment section. I'm down to hear, and you know, I'm happy and I'll be happy because this has been used by a few friends of mine, by a few people that I know, and it's working for them. For those people who are going to apply for a visa, just do this. Put this all over your body after shower and say, God, I'm blessed. Whatever I ask, I'll receive. Whatever door I open, it will be open. Okay, whatever I touch will be successful. Just pray a simple prayer. Okay, as you're applying this in your palms, as you're applying this on your body. Okay, let me get married to a specific man, the man of your dreams. Okay, just do this and go and do whatever you're supposed to do and see how things are going to turn up. You will thank me later. This is a secret. Few people know this and they use it. They will never tell you about this secret. They will never break it. Okay, so my friend, if you are facing a spirit of rejection, a spirit of ignored, a spirit of not being loved, a spirit of hatiness, like everyone hates you, if you didn't do anything good or bad to them, they will still hate you. You know, at work things are very different with other employees, with your fellow co-workers or your boss. Please do this for your work. Do this for your do this for your husband, for your home. Do this for your marriage. Do this for your kids. Do this for your school. Do this for... You will see how things are going to change. You will see how miracles are going to happen. Just apply it on your body. Thank you.